Assalamualaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar. Welcome to our online class of Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, Sharif Bishas and Anika, how are you? I hope you are well and fine today. Okay, my previous lecture was Zoom class, and that lecture about last finishing is shape of the chromosome, just metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric, and chemical composition of chromosome and functions of chromosome. Okay, today is hereditary or genetic material. First one, what do you mean by hereditary material? Hereditary materials is the materials that is bears from parents to child. Okay, from parents to child, this is hereditary or genetic material. Okay, you know what is hereditary and genetic material. Genetic material and hereditary is that. So, first one, the hereditary materials known as nucleic acid. Okay, classification nucleic acid. So, classification of nucleic acid, cell contains of two kind of nucleic acid. You know, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. First one, nucleic acid. Nucleus is the hereditary or genetic materials in animals. Okay, and this is also nucleic acid is two types. This is DNA and another is RNA. Okay, DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA means ribonucleic acid. Okay, DNA and RNA are found in all the cells except bacteriophage. Okay, poliomycetes, tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus is, you know, RNA virus and some other virus. Generally, DNA occurs in the chromosome, but recent research shows their presence in the organs like your mitochondria, chloroplast, etc. Okay, RNA occurs mainly in cytoplasm. They are also found in nucleus, especially nucleolus. You know, nucleolus is made up of RNA and protein. Very little amount of RNA is found in chromosome and in nuclear sac. Okay. Then we discuss chemical composition of nucleic acid. DNA and RNA are large molecules made up of subunit called nucleotide. Okay, large molecules made up of subunit. Okay, subunit calls nucleotide. A nucleotide consists of the following components. Okay, so you can get nucleotide. Nucleotide. A nucleotide consists of the following components. First one, pentose sugar. Okay, pentose means 5 carbon. Okay, sugar. Pentose sugar. Pentose means 5 carbon. There are two kinds of pentose sugar. You know, this is also DNA and RNA. Deoxyribose sugar. The nucleic acid which contain deoxyribose sugar is called deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. Here hydroxyl group is absent. Okay, in DNA OH group is absent. You know, and ribose sugar. The nucleic acid which contains ribose sugar is called ribonucleic acid. Then nitrogen containing organic base. That means nitrogen base. Here in DNA you can find there nitrogen base, purines and pyrimidines. First one. Number 2, nitrogen base. N base. N base. nitrogen base are two types. First one, purines, purines and pyrimidines. Pyrimidines, DINES, purine and pyrimidine. Okay. So the purines are the organic compound which contains two rings of atom. Two rings. Here purines present two ring. Okay. Two ring atoms in their molecule. Purine bases are going into two types. They are adenine and guanine. Their shortest form is A and G. Okay. A means adenine and G means guanine. Then pyrimidine. The pyrimidines contain single ring of atom. Here pyrimidine is single ring. Okay. Here pyrimidine is single ring. Contains single ring of atom in their molecules. The pyrimidine bases are again three types. Okay. Here pyrimidine is thiamine. Thiamine short form is T. Cytosine short form is C. And uracil short form is U. Okay. So nitrogen bases are two types. Here you can see nitrogen bases are two types, purines and pyrimidines. Purines made up of two ring and pyrimidine is made up of single ring. Purines example is adenine and guanine and pyrimidine's example is cytosine, thiamine and uracil. Okay, I think you are clear. Then number 3, phosphoric acid. Phosphate group in the form of phosphoric acid. Number 3, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid means H3PO4. Phosphoric acid. The formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4 and here PO4 group is from of phosphoric acid. Okay. Then two important term. Okay. You can learn for B-nong answer, that means two, nucleoside and another is nucleotide. Okay. The two terms of nucleoside and nucleotide. This is very important for 2-nong answer and B-nong answer also. Okay. 2-nong is number 2. What is nucleoside and nucleotides? Okay. Nucleoside and nucleotide. One base and sugar. Okay. That means one base and sugar. Sugar means pentose sugar plus one nitrogen base. Okay, made is nucleoside. So nucleoside is made up of pentose sugar and nitrogen base. Okay. Then nucleoside by attaching with phosphoric acid. Nucleotide is nucleoside plus phosphoric acid. Okay. Nucleoside plus phosphoric acid, phosphate group also make nucleotide. Okay. So nucleoside is pentose sugar and nitrogen base and nucleotide is nucleoside plus H3PO4, that means phosphoric acid. Okay, contains a nucleoside and many nucleotides joins together to form polynucleotide chain. Okay, 2 means di and many other is poly also. Okay, nucleoside, nitrogen base plus sugar and nitrogen base plus sugar plus nucleoside is phosphate group also. So they from nucleotide. Okay. So nucleoside and nucleotide. These two terms is very, very important. Then go to structure of DNA. Very important question. Structure of DNA. Here structure means physical structure. Okay, not chemical. Physical structure is very important of DNA, and this is an important question for 3 marks. In 1953, Watson and Crick make a model of DNA. The determination of structure of DNA has been widely estimated as a single most important biological discovery of the century. Okay. Here DNA model is first one. Draw the figure. You can draw the figure. Here two helical situated this portion. Okay, nucleoside and nucleotide also. And in 1963 they got Nobel Prize. Okay, shared the Nobel Prize with Watson, Crick, Franklin. Okay, Franklin, they got the Nobel Prize. In DNA, the backbone of the molecule in built of phosphoric acid and deoxyribose sugar to this backbone are attached the nitrogenous base. The 5' end of the backbone has a free phosphate group on the 5 carbon of the ribose, and 3' has end a hydroxyl group of the 3 carbon. Here this is 5 carbon. Okay, so the end, this is 3' and this is 3 carbon, so N, that is 5 carbon. Okay. And then, however, one of the most important and interesting discoveries about the nucleic acid is that DNA is not a single polynucleotide chain. Rather, it contains of 2 complementary chains that are precisely cross-linked by specific hydrogen bonding. Okay, here specific hydrogen bonding between purine and pyrimidine base. The number of adenine is equal to the number of thymine, and the number of guanine equals to the number of cytosine. This fact suggested a pairing of base here develop A, T and C triple bond G. Okay, and here A, T, C, G, and here S and P. S and P. S, P. S means sugar, P means phosphate. Okay, SP, SP. You can write thymine, AT, and guanine with cytosine C and G. The result is a ladder structure. The upright proteins are the sugar phosphate backbones. Okay, this is sugar phosphate backbone. This is sugar and this is phosphate backbone, and the connecting rungs are the pairing nitrogen base. This is also called nitrogen base, AT and CG. Okay, AT means adenine, thymine, and C compare guanine. However, the ladder is twisted into a double helix with approximately 10 base pair for each complete turn of the helix. Here 10 pairs means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Twisted 10. 10 base pair for each component turn of the helix. The two DNA strands run in opposite direction, that is the anti-parallel. Okay, this is also anti-parallel position, and 5' end of the one starting is the 3'. The two strands are also complementary. The sequence of the base along one strand specific and sequence of base along of their strand. Adenine is always connected with thymine. This is the adenine is always base thymine by the two hydrogen bond. Here this is and this is two hydrogen bond. Okay. And guanine is connected with cytosine by 3 hydrogen bonds. Okay, here C 3 hydrogen bond 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 hydrogen bond. In a DNA molecule base pair AT, CG, okay, may be arranged in different ways if the base sequence of one strand G, C, AACT, then the base sequence of the other strand is G oblique C, C oblique G, AA oblique TT, C oblique G, T oblique A. Okay, then the respectively. The diameter of DNA molecule is 2 nanometer. Diameter is here to here 2 nanometer. And usually consists of 3000 to 4000 nucleotide. Sometimes they may be 20,000 nucleotides. Okay, the distance between the two bases are distance between two bases are 0.34 nanometer. Okay, and it takes 10 nucleotide to complete a spiral. Okay, a complete spiral 10. So this is a complete spiral. So the length of a complete spiral is 3.4 nanometer. Okay, this is 3.4 nanometer. Complete is this here to here. This is complete, and this is 3.4 nanometer also. Then I think it is clear, and you can follow this figure also. Here 5 carbon sugar, here sugar, and here A T, here O is up, so here oxygen is down, here sugar, and here S C G. Okay. Here P phosphate and here P phosphate. So ঠিক আছে, শরীফ বিশ্বাস and Anika. So this figure and this figure. Okay, I hope you can draw this and this, two figures only. Okay, this and this, both figure only. Both figure must drawing in your exam copy. Okay, then go to functions of DNA. The important functions of DNA are recent investigations are rightly revealed that the DNA is the genetic material. Okay, it is clearly shown by the Watson-Crick model how DNA acts as a carrier of genetic information from generation to generation. The genetic information are carried by base pairs of DNA molecule. DNA controls all the life activities, okay, of the cell directly or indirectly. DNA synthesizes RNA. DNA controls protein synthesis. Okay, so that's all today. I think you understand today's lecture. Any question, so call me in my messenger. Okay, so see you later. Kamrun Naharina, Allah Hafiz.